Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I have a very simple but pretty card to share with you featuring the Calming Camellia stamp set. So this stamp set is one that you can earn right now during celebration. You can choose this as your free item when you place a host order. Like if you host a party, you can earn this as a free item, or if you place your own personal order of $300 or more, you can choose this set. So really, really pretty. This image right here just really struck me, and I knew I wanted to use this stamp set. So don't forget, celebration is going on right now, and you can earn those free products until February the 28th, 2022. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. So I decided to keep this card simple, and I wanted to focus on using one color, and I decided to choose a color that I really don't ever use, and that is Misty Moonlight. I think maybe I've used Misty Moonlight. I've used it on one project since this color has been available for almost 2 years now. So I said, let me show Misty Moonlight a little bit of love. So for my sentiment, I am just going to stamp this one, which is, it's the little things that make life great. So just put that right in the center here. Okay, so I just stamped that onto a scrap piece of white, and then I've got another piece of white. This is cut 3 1/4 inches by 4 inches, and I'm gonna stamp that really large image. I just think this is such a pretty image. So I am gonna try to ink this directly to the ink pad, even though it is too big. Looks like I've got it all. I'm just going to put this in the center of my white cardstock. Gosh, I just really love this image, and it stamps so pretty. Okay. Ah, that is just so pretty. Let me bring that in close for you. I hope I'm in the camera, but isn't that just gorgeous? Oh man. So pretty. And there's lots of different fun ways that you can color this image in. I'm keeping it simple today, but there are so many ways you could color this. In. Now I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and we are just going to do some really quick die cutting. So I have got plate number 1, a plate number 2, which is a cutting plate, and I'm going to put my white cardstock down, and I've got one of the layering circle dies that I'm just going to put right over that. Make sure it looks centered. Okay, I think that looks good. Then I've got a scrap piece of Misty Moonlight cardstock here, and I'll just put my scallop that will nest right around that circle. And, oops, plate number 2, run that through. Hold her down, there we go. Okay, just pop these out really quickly. Oh, love it. Okay, that mini machine is just so great for these little die cut projects. Okay, Stampin' Seal adhesive. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my sentiment right over the top of my little Misty Moonlight scalloped circle. Okay, set that to the side, and then we can put our beautiful stamped image onto a piece of Misty Moonlight cardstock. This is just an 1/8 of an inch larger than my white layer, and I do have the exact measurement over on today's coordinating blog post, which is linked down below in the video description, so you can get the exact measurements over there. Okay, so just popping that on there. Okay, and then for my card base, I've got basic white thick cardstock. This is cut 8 1/2 inches by 5 1/2 inches, and I've scored it at 4 1/4 inches. I'll just give that a nice crease with my bone folder. Then I've got this Misty Moonlight designer paper. This is from the Pattern Party 12 by 12 designer series paper. And you know what? I think I want to use liquid glue. So this is cut just 1/8 of an inch less on all 4 sides. 1/8 of an inch less on all 4 sides than the size of the front panel on my card front. So you're just gonna get the tiniest little border. There we go. See, just the tiniest little peak of that white card base. And again, you can find all of those measurements over on the blog post. And then I'm going to just add this panel onto the front flat. Let's see, just put that, I'm gonna put it in the top right hand corner. Let's see, how does that look? Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, put that there. And then dimensionals on the back of this layer. And I'm going to put this, let's see, right there, looks good. Then I have got the Baker's Twine Essentials pack. I'm gonna put this, oh, is this Smoky Slate? I can't remember now. You get 5 different colors, and now I cannot remember if this is Smoky Slate. If it's not Smoky Slate, I'll put what color it is on the screen. Let's see, I think I only need about that much, but I'm just gonna tie a little bow with this. Whoops, do that again. Okay, come on. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put that down with a glue dot. Got my glue dots here. Just roll one up with my take your pick tool, and I'll just pop that right there, and then just press this in. There we go. Okay, let's see. Whoops. Oh yeah, and then we will finish up with some of these metallic pearls in silver. So I'll just put, whoop, that is not where I wanted that. My hand just went ahead and did it. I'm gonna do a different one. Yep, that's why, because I messed that up peeling it up. Put one here. One there, and I'll do one there. Okay, there you have it. That finishes up today's project, and I love it. It's very clean, very simple. It's monochromatic, and that image just pops off of this card. I love it. And you know, I had to do a coordinating envelope, so I stamped the leaf image that comes in the stamp set, put that on the front of my envelope, and then I just finished with that same designer paper on the flap. So there you go. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget, you can find all of the measurements for today's project over on today's coordinating blog post link down below. And you can also find all of the supplies that I used linked and listed over on the blog. And those are linked and listed down below in the video description as well. And you can purchase any of those items in my online Stampin' Up! Store. So thanks again, and stay tuned. I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.